10 physical conditions that are very rare. We all are different and unique in our own ways. We have different skin colors, hair colors, eye colors, which makes us different from each other. But did you know that some people are a little bit too different apart for their uniqueness? Some people have certain body features that are very rare, such as having different color eyes or having 6 fingers instead of 5. This is just the tip of the iceberg. So if you are curious to find out if you are one of them or not, then continue watching and be prepared to be blown away by the various creation of nature. Number 1. Heterochromia. You must have seen pictures of huskies with different color eyes, but did you know that there are people who have the same condition which is known as heterochromia? Only 1% of the world population has this condition. However, there are also cases where a person has a mix of 2 colors, like brown and blue. The latter one is comparatively more common. Number 2. Albinism. Albinism is a rare genetic disorder that leaves your skin, hair and eyes bereft of any color. According to research, 1 in thousands of people has this condition. While this one does not affect the person's health, it does lead to some vision problems. There are different types of albinism or hyperpigmentation that are found in different people all around the world. Number 3. Morton's toe. Morton's toe, Greek foot, royal foot are some names that are popular for this condition. In this condition, a person has the first toe smaller than the second toe. This is due to the varying lengths of the metatarsal. There are no issues related to this condition, but a person may feel some discomfort wearing certain shoes or maybe pain in the front area of the foot. Number 4. Golden blood. This might sound fascinating and something related to magic, but having golden blood does not mean that you have gold in your blood. It is a medical condition where our blood lacks 61 possible antigens. This blood group is called renal, and people who have this are fewer than 50. Number 5. Distichiasis. This one is another interesting condition where you have an extra lash line. These days, girls are going crazy to get luscious eyelashes and use falsies to create that illusion. But in this condition, you have an extra layer of eyelashes close to your natural lash line. There seems to be no discomfort caused by this, neither there is any issue with their vision. However, in some cases, this line might grow underneath the natural lash line, which may get into the eye. Number 6. Arc-shaped fingerprints. We all have unique fingerprints, and it is shocking enough to know that no 2 people have the same fingerprints. Among this, there is even a rarer condition where your prints are not general, curved or circular. Instead, they are in the form of an arc. It is so rare that only 3% of the world's population has this feature. You surely want to check that out now, if you have it or not. Number 7. Polydactyly. We all hope to have an extra limb to get more work done, but what if you have extra fingers? There is a condition that affects 1 out of every 1,000 births where the person has an extra finger or an extra digit called dactylos. This condition is often caused by certain genetic mutations or environmental causes. So if you are one of them, you know that you are 1 in thousands. Number 8. Anonychia congenita. This one is a rare condition where the person is born without any nails on their fingers and toes. Certain people have only one of the nails missing. This condition is the rarest and often caused by certain mutation. Number 9. Star's ear. This condition called star's ears or elf ear is something that people are born with. Though this can be easily treated by using ear molds to correct this in newborns, in this condition a person has pointed ears due to an extra fold of cartilage. The pointed shaped ears are just like the fictional elves, making us believe more and more in the fictional world of elves and fairies. Number 10. Mirror hand syndrome. Mirror hands or ulnar demilia is a condition where a person does not have thumbs but 8 fingers. There are only 100 cases found in medical history. so must not have come across anyone with this physical abnormality. People who have this condition would have stronger grip. So these were some of the features that are only found in a little part of the world population. These conditions give you an edge over all the people almost similar to having a superpower. If you happen to be one of them, consider yourself lucky. If you know someone who might have one of these rare body conditions, share this video with them and let them know how truly special they are. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel. For more content, visit our website. Till the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and let your voice be heard.